Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm doing this Colourpop haul. So I just bought a few things from Colourpop. So let's start. So this is the card I got this time. It said, "I love it when you call me Big Poppy." I like this one. It's really cute. This is how the back look. I love using these cards to put lashes on, like when the glue is drying. It's so easy to rip them off. So let's get on the stuff. I got two no filter concealers in Deep Dark 54 because my Deep Dark 54 is almost gone. I already have a Deep Dark 52 backup that's in my drawer right there. Oh, it's actually right here. But yeah, this is how it looks. It's a brand new one. I really like them, so I just got two of the same shade because I use these the most. I also got two more precision brow pencils because these are my favorite brow pencils. Like, it's these ones. I don't like the brow bosses from Colourpop, but these ones are so pigmented. Let me swatch it for you. Like, the only thing I don't like is when you twist it up, you can't twist it back down. Let me swatch. Look at that. Look at that. This is in the shade black and brown. Yeah, black and brown. I love these. I recommend the Precision My Brows better than the brow boss. But if they don't have your shade in Precision My Brow, you might have to get the brow boss. The brow boss is like a stiff version, and less pigmented version of the Anastasia. Also, the last things that I got this whole total was like $34. So that was something. I was upset about that. But last thing I got was the Colourpop and I Love Side E collab lip gloss in Atelier. Woo! I loved it. What? This is my favorite lip gloss ever. That's why I got two of them. See, when they was having a sale earlier this week, but I missed the sale like by a day. So look at this gloss. Look how beautiful. Wow, like really, like, look at it. So beautiful. Matter of fact, I should put it on right now. I'm gonna do my natural lip because I'm about to start doing this every day. Okay, for my natural lip, I always take my NYX butter gloss in cranberry biscotti, and I put some right here at the middle of my bottom lip. Right there, that's a lot. And then I do that, and I take my finger and spread it out. Cause I don't want it to be too pink, cause like my lips aren't that pink. See that? You see how much of a difference that made? And after that, cause basically you're using that for the pigment. After that, I take the I Love Side E and Colourpop Glossy Lip in Atelier. Woo! Let me swatch it for y'all first, cause oh my god, look how clean this is. Woo, guys. Let me swatch it. Oh my god, yo. Woo! I love this gloss. And after that, I don't like putting it directly on my lips like that if I already put down product. So I just take some, put it on my finger, like that much on my finger, and I put it on my lips. Alright, I feel like I ain't adding enough pink though. So I'm gonna add some more pink. But I do love this lip gloss. It's perfect. It gotta be a nice ratio of pink to this gloss, because it got like, yeah. My go-to gloss. But yeah, that's everything. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more. And yeah, just check out my latest YouTube video, which will also be linked down below. Bye.